we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're looking at something from USCutter, and from their packing tape it also says sign making equipment and supplies, but they also offer other application design materials as well, so feel free to check them out. Looks like they have a website on here, USCutter.com. And let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see if we can get this open. Should just be one thing in here. I'm not sure there'll be a manifest. Let's see if we can get this open. Reinforced packing tape. Oops. Why they included so much bagged air. It's just one object and it's virtually unbreakable. So, oh my god, it just keeps going. It's anaconda size. Easily 75 bags of hair. So what I had ordered is let's see if I can condense the description here. It should be a pearl white self-healing craft mat, 18 inches by 24. And it itself is also wrapped in a nice plastic layer with interesting little serrations there. It'll make it easier to open, I'm sure. I think this is a one-use bag. Let's get it open. Oh, it's actually pretty thick material here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Just need a firm grip on it. So you can see it's delineated in grid pattern of various sizes. Looks like we have inches on the top. See that, and on the sides. And then we also have gradients here, and also angles as well. Looks like you're 30, 45, 60 probably. USCutter at the bottom there, also gradations there, and also we got the inch markings all around the perimeter. If we turn it over, it's plain on this side. If we get a look at the profile, it does appear to have multiple layers, and you might just be able to see where that middle healing layer would be. This is pretty tough surface here, so this is actually going to be going on my drawing board. So I still kind of sketch things out for ideas and stuff, but just taking a quick look at one item from USCutter. Feel free to check them out at USCutter.com. They can make various sign making materials, boards like this, and vinyl wraps. If you want to do wraps on your vehicle, that's where you get those really cool looking body color jobs on your vehicle. So feel free to check them out. Plus they also have the equipment to apply, shape, cut the materials that you need. So USCutter.com. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell videos, do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.